Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's solve the problem on eigenvector. So this was a question in GATE 2008 for mechanical engineering branch, and the question is very easy. They are saying that for the given matrix these are the eigenvectors, so what will be the value of A and B? So let's solve it. First of all, we will have to find out the eigenvalues. So to find out the eigenvalues, as we know, what we will do, we will follow A minus lambda I, and determinant should be equal to 0. Fine. So here 1 minus lambda, 2 0, and 2 minus lambda. Okay, this determinant should be equal to 0, so it will become 1 minus lambda. Okay, this will become 1 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda is equal to 0. Okay, because this is 0, this into this equal to 0. Now we have two values of lambda, lambda equal to 1 and 2. Fine. So now we have two eigenvalues. If you want to check eigenvalue, you can check here, like the sum of this eigenvalue should be equal to the trace of matrix. So 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, that's clear. And the determinant should be equal to determinant, product should be equal to determinant, so that is also equal. So we can understand that okay, my calculation is correct. Now let's go for calculating eigenvector. So how we will go about it? We will take a, what we do, a minus lambda I, and we take this matrix and multiply with x, okay, which is equal to, should be equal to 0. It means a minus lambda I means if we take first lambda, lambda 1, for this first calculate for lambda equal to 1, if we solve this, it will be equal to 0 minus 1, so 0, this is equal to 2, this is again equal to 0, and this is equal to 1. Fine. So this is the matrix, and this is variable vector, so x y, and this is equal to 0. Now if we multiply this, from matrix multiplication we know, so we multiply this, it will become x into 0 into x plus 2 into y. Okay, so 2y, and then if you multiply this, 0 into x plus 1 into y. Okay, so it will become this. Okay, so it will become again uh, y. Fine. So this equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. It means individually this should be equal to 0. Fine. It means that y is equal to 0. Fine. And x will be any value. X can have any value. Now if we calculate for lambda equal to 2, it will be equal to, again if we subtract 2, so it will be equal to minus 1, this will be equal to 2, this will be equal to 0, and this will be equal to 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. Okay, and we will multiply this, again x and y equal to 0. So if you multiply, this will become x, minus x plus 2y, and this will become 0. Okay, so this should be equal to 0. Okay, so from here, if you go about this, what is the value? It means you are getting 2y minus x, okay, equal to 0. Fine. From here we already know y equal to 0, so again we are getting that the x should be also equal to something wrong. So for the two eigenvalues we have two eigenvectors, separate vectors. In first case, if when lambda is equal to 1, the eigenvalue should be the vector eigenvector is, when the value is 1, the vector is, this is 0, the value of y is 0, but x can be anything. Okay, anything. For lambda equal to 2, that is for eigenvalue 2, the matrix is, the vector is something like this, that we should maintain this relationship. Okay, so whatever we can have, this is a vector. Okay, so we should have a ratio among x and y. Okay, so x is equal to basically 2y, so we can maintain this relationship. So we can have 1 2, or we can have 2 4 and so on. Okay, so the only condition is we have to maintain this relationship. Okay, now let's come to the question. First one is 1 0. Okay, first is 1 a. Okay, so the first case, as we just got here that the condition is y should be equal to 0, this should be equal to 0, this can be anything. Okay, so it has taken here 1, this a will be equal to what? A will be equal to 0, that's it. Okay, now we have second 1b. Okay, but we have condition that x is equal to, here we have condition x equal to 2y. Fine, and here we have given the value of 1. Okay, so it means b equal to what? 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the possible solution. Fine, as it is clear, x is equal to 2y. Okay, means y equal to x by 2. Okay, y equal to x by 2. Fine, now here x is given, so y, that is b equal to 1 by 2. Fine, so 1 by 2, this is the answer. Thanks for watching.